Hi guys, if you're playing with a controller but don't like the control scheme, here is how to change your control settings. Consider hitting subscribe so you always have access to useful info just like this. So you want to go to the options cog, then hit settings. From there you want to go to controller, and from here you have a bunch of different options. However, the main thing we want are combat controls. So in the combat subtab, we can head down to button mapping. Now you can either select a specific hero or change the controls for everybody. So let's go to batch optimize, select the first tab, select whichever button, enter into the second slot, and select whichever button you want to swap. Then just say apply to all heroes. You can also change UI buttons like hero profiles in the next tab, and then communication buttons in the next tab. And that's how you do it. Very simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Customize everything to your liking. It's going to make you better at this game.